Hey there, chickadees. I am getting ready to do our ELA skills practice, day 1. That means you have read your fluency passage, sentence by sentence, listening to me or Miss Katie read it to you and then following along. You have also looked at your word sort for the week. You've figured out the patterns and cut it up and sorted it once. Now we're going to do our Rebecca Sitten page. Right? So we're in our skills practice book. We're on page 72. And to you, it looks like this. There's a little sheep at the top, but I changed it and I wrote it out this way so that we could see together what this page looked like. And we'll just go through it a little bit. So it says at the very top, the sheep is saying some words sound the same, but they have different letters and different meanings. There's a name for words like that. We've been using it. It's called homophones. So a phone is, something that you use to hear things. So when we say phone, we're thinking of how something sounds. Homo actually means the same. So the same sound, homophone. So they sound the same, exactly the same, but they're spelled differently and they mean different things. And it's funny because even in the instructions, it says write the right word. Write the right word. So there's homophones in that sentence, write and write. One of them means to write, and one of them means correct. And it's actually our very first one together. So you're going to actually touch your screen while I'm reading these, and you're going to touch the one that you think is the correct spelling of the word to match up with the picture that we're seeing. So here's number 1. Is it right or right? What's this kid doing? Would this word match up with it? Or would this word match up with it? Is it right or right? Okay, I am going to use my underliner to underline the right word. It was right. So we're going to underline it. You can circle it on your page here, and then you can write the right word on your line. So you are going to write right here, WRITE. That is the one that means that he's writing. All right, number 2. Is it I or I? Let's see. We use the word I all the time when we do our writing, and we know that when you're talking about yourself, you use this one. So this one has a very strange spelling. EYE is a very uncommon way to make the I, long I sound. So this one was I. All right. Is it one or one? Let's see. One of those means the number. The other one means that you won something when you were competing. You were the winner. So I want you to point to the one that you think it is. Is it one or one? Okay, I'm going to underline the correct one. It's one. This is the spelling for the number. The number word is this one. Number 4. Is it B or B? What's this guy? Are we using one E to make the long E sound or 2 E's? Go ahead and touch it. And I'm going to underline it right there. All right, the next one. Is it C or C? So we've got a picture of waves. So one of these, I want you to touch the one you think it is. One of these means that you see something with your eyes, and the other one means the sea, like the ocean. I'm going to give you a second to touch. Which one is it? There it is. All right. Here's a number 2. Is it 2 or 2? We've worked on this one a few times in our skills book. Let's see, which of those is the number word? Go ahead and touch it on the screen. That is the spelling of the number word. It's got a silent W and it's got an O that sounds like ooh. They both do. This one's funny. It's got the word 2 times in a row. So this is an or, which is like a paddle. Is it or? Is it or? Ignore that little line right there. That's telling me I did something wrong in my sentence because it's saying, why did you write or 3 times in a row? Is it or? Go ahead and touch the one you think spells or, meaning a paddle. Okay, did you choose that one? That's the one. And is it blue or blue? So she blew a bubble. One of those is the color word, and the other one is the word to match what she is doing by when she blew a bubble. Go ahead and touch the one you think it is. Who is this one? All right, my friends, you may look at this if you need to by pausing your video, and then you're going to choose the correct one and write it the correct way on the line.